So today I thought I'd fill you all in on R70 Ford Falcon. I bought this thing with my uncle. It originally came out of the factory as a 302 V8 Fairmont in vintage burgundy with a saddle trim. It was actually would have been a nice car in its day, but over the years someone has converted it to a XY GT Replica. Originally this car was a 302 Windsor car. It's now been converted to a 351 Cleveland, 4-speed top loader gearbox, a disc brake 9-inch rear end, and obviously resprayed in silver and converted to black interior. A good friend of mine, Brenton, helped me with some seat repairs. We've replaced some of the basket weave in the inserts of the seats. I've done an excessive amount of work on the engine bay of this car. Basically from the bonnet down, the whole engine bay has been bare metalled, resprayed and fully detailed. Now the underside of this car is actually in pretty good shape, but I do want to give it all a coat of paint to make it look as good as the top. Once that's all done, throw the back wheels on and put it back down on the ground. Parts store runs in the middle of the day, so unproductive. I've taken the GLX to give it a bit of a run. It's only a 6-cylinder, 265 Hemi, automatic, but it revs like nothing else. The underside's all done. It's not restoration quality, but it's definitely better than your average street car. All I've got left to do is put the wheels on the car, drop it back down on the ground, and the next time you see this thing, I'll be out in the countryside stretching its legs.
I will never be alone.
Over the years, my uncle and I have had a few XYs. Unsure if this one's my favourite one. I think once they start to get to a really high level, you tend to worry about them a bit more. But having said that, yeah, we're super proud of this car. It come out really good, and definitely don't think you can beat the combination of silver with reflective orange stripes. Just driving up Snake Gully Road, which is the connecting road from Titri Gully to Gawler in the northeast of Adelaide. Pretty lucky where I live here. Within 2 minutes I've got awesome scenery, wicked roads, best of all, no traffic, the way it should be.
Carry on, in a moment I'm lost. No, I'm dying from the inside. Our eyes take me away, tear me apart on the inside out. Did I speak in volumes? No, but our lips refuse to move. How could this ever be the last time, the final time that we see this through? Give me the strength to return, oh return the breath you stolen. Give me the means to reset her heart I've broken again. Reflections built up on sorrow. We're walking the darkest roads within, just carved with regret. In a moment I'm lost, no, oh, dying from the inside. Our eyes take me away, tear me apart from the inside out. The inside out, no. Left running, now we're falling through the cracks. We are running blind.
Well, I wanted to finish my video today with just a coffee and cars meet this morning. I've moved away from the people because I don't really feel comfortable talking on camera, but yeah, look, it's the middle of winter and people are bringing their cars out to enjoy and share with other people, and yeah, I think it's just awesome. I watch a lot of YouTube channels and see people, sharing their pride and joy, even if it's not the greatest car out. They just want to get out there and enjoy it. So I guess this is my sort of contribution, try and encourage others just to get out there and enjoy their cars.
Our shining eyes mark out the return back to the world of the time.